What's happening, guys? Shukesh here. Today we take the Tiki Tiki challenge. I created this video entirely on the Wondershare Filmora 15. It took me some time, but the result is awesome. So let's get started. Firstly, import the video as well as the song in the timeline. The Tiki Tiki trend works best with dances, with fight scenes. The first thing we need to do is find the beats in the music. So go to the Smart Edit tools and then beat options. I want first scene changes. So set the highlight every beats to 1. So we got the markers where the beats are changing. Now we need to cut the clips, mostly the highlights of the actions, and place those clips between these markers. So let's do that one by one. I will show you the first one. If you are a beginner, you can learn it very quickly. So we cut the clip here, then move the playhead a little and cut again. Then I will delete the extra part and place it at the beginning, since this will be the first scene. Now we need to either change the length of the clip to the length of the beats, or we can do other things like we can speed up. Let me actually find the next clip so that I can see the change in the scene. So this is the next clip I want to place, and let's cut it here. To speed up a video and to match, the best way to do is click and hold the control button and drag the right or left edge. There you go. We have the speed up video which sits perfectly in between two bits. Let's keep it at 2x. Let's find the next scene. Another way to do it is using speed ramping, which will yield the most dramatic effect. There you have to actually adjust this graph, and you need to also match the length. The best thing to do is start with higher speed and end with slower speed, or maybe the original speed of the video. That's how Tiki Tiki trend videos are made. Now it might be a little difficult to do speed ramping and also match the beat. Let me show you the best way to do that. For the first clip, you need to actually spend some time. So let's say we cut a clip of 2 seconds and maintain that duration for the rest of the cuts. Then we will find the custom speed ramping graph. We will then use it as preset for the rest of the clips. So let me move to the next clip and do it. We are at the last clip, so the video is almost ready. The next trick for the most dramatic effect is zoom in and out when the key moments are happening. For example, in the opening scene, I want to do zoom out. So we will first zoom in, then with keyframe animation, we will apply the zoom out effect. Since this is the fight scene, I have added an effect called Extreme. You can search it in the Filmora assets and apply it throughout all the clips. It adds a shake effect. So we did it for all the clips, excluding the first one. There are some body effects I also applied in key situations. For example, this burning outline tool looks really cool. In Tiki Tiki trends, you might have also noticed picture-in-picture or clone effects. So there are some clone effects built into the Filmora 15. You can use some of this in key situations, not for all clips. In Tiki Tiki trend, you will also notice that video starts with extreme zoom to the subject and then zooms out, which also looks really cool. For example, this clip here, I'm zooming in into Superman's eyes, then zooming out. There are so many other Filmora assets that you can try in your Tiki Tiki videos to make it more awesome. So this is how you create such videos and follow the trend. So the final video once again for you.